Hey, hello, I have an appointment with 10 people. Oh, 162. Oh, yes. Appease. Oh, okay, thank you, go up the stairs. Hey, hello. Hey, okay. Hey, thank you. Huge screen. This decoration scope is old. Oh, okay, thank you. Oh, yes, the menu is ready, thank you. Shacha, no more up. Do you have that juice? How much is 58? Do you have Coke? How much is a can of Coke? 10 yuan a bottle, 10 yuan a bottle, and a 50,000 Coke. Take a look at the menu first. Please order for me. You give me this 8 treasure duck. How much is 1 gin of braised river shrimp and which ginseng? 580. Squirrel crocodile fermented bean curd rock sugar turtle grass head circle. Orange yam ice cream foie grass. Secret char siu stir-fried double shrimp in oil sauce. That's right, that's it. Another special braised pork. Fried meal wine stuffed round to 8 treasure chili. How much is a bowl of rice? $3 a bowl. That rice is cheap, haha. How much is a large bowl of rice? A big bowl is 30, right? That's a big bowl. That's for now. You go directly. I have 2 friends and he's coming soon. Then you can directly buy that list from me. Wait a minute. Otherwise, my friend will come right away and he will rush to pay the bill. Wow, shrimp tuition. This is only 750 for yuan. I'll split it for him first. Wow, has it arrived? Wow, it's dressed like jelly. So hot really. I'm done with the soup. Add 1 o'clock spoonful of soup to drink. Well, you can almost say you don't smell this at all. What about shrimp? It's completely integrated into this soup. Heavy oil sauce. Sticky. Pork siu. Honey black buttock char siu is a black pig in human language. The black-haired pork char siu looks quite perfect. Fatty, this should belong to the flour fork. My favorite. Slightly sweet. Extremely soft. Although it is not as good as in Guangdong. This char siu, but this dish is in Shanghai. Should be pretty good. 8 treasure duck wow is really a huge plate. Estimated to be 3 or 4 cabbage. This set is 198. Classic Shanghai cabbage. Shrimp on top. 1 piece first. Oh my god, eat the beef. Wow, melts in your mouth. His duck skin is really smooth. I bought a sauce with thick red sauce. Is there glutinous rice in here? Huge slimy, this is really awesome. Come on a piece, wow, look at this sheepskin. Sheepskin, haha. Look at this duck skin. Heavy oil red sauce. Really delicious. This glutinous rice is also very fragrant. Fried meat circle, come back to this fried meat roll. This dish is 98. It is also a famous dish in this dish. Take a bite of this circle first. It looks quite soft and waxy, does it? Well, the entrance is sweet and sweet. It is also thick oil. Eat the sauce and then fix this fried head for a while. Oily. These 2 pots of fried double shrimp are 350 yuan. Now this fried shrimp. Wow, so crispy, so crispy. This fried shrimp is really serious old Shanghai fried shrimp method. Really pretty good. Fried and shrimp, take a bite. A virgin is perfect. No fishy smell at all. Just a little light. Fortunately, I made him some vinegar. Give it a taste. I must add vinegar. Fermented bean curd pork 118. Wow. It is also thick oil to eat. Take a bite of this skin. Melt in your mouth. Super rich aroma of this crispy meat. Whole piece of this lean meat. Well, lean meat is also completely out of wood. Small vegetables. Yes. Wow, turtle. Wait for 1 hour of turtle. This is definitely not a jade juice vegetable. Wait another hour. Concentrated oil pharmaceutical. This one is only 168. Take a bite first. Yes. Wow. Wow, this sweet sauce with the seasoning of braised pork in this package. Exactly the same. Pretty perfect. Have a turtle leg wrapped in sauce, really. Wow, meat super bullet. There is also a red date in it. I really love this thick oil sauce. Well, the squirrel mandarin is really huge. This one is 342. Top is pine nuts. Whoops, wow, take a bite. Well, the fragrance has a sweet and sour mouth. Crispy shell. Its sweet and sour ratio buckles perfectly. Be sure to wrap the sauce. Orange juice yam, pearl orange juice yam. I saw his picture on the menu. I knew I had to eat him. This is so beautiful. Have a The sweet and sour taste doesn't feel like yam. It's delicious. The ice cream foie gras shape is also quite delicate, so be sure to eat while it's cold. The foie gras inside is salty. The outer layer is sweet and sour. This plate is 12,812,345,678. Still pretty good. Babao hot sauce, 108 yuan. This is the real 8 treasures hot sauce. Several kinds, not just potatoes and dried beans. Babao hot sauce is also a famous dish in Shanghai. Noodles are a must. Have a taste. Wow, really good. If you come to a bowl of noodles now, put it in a hot sauce and pour it on the surface. Directly sentence you to braised, and man, this is 238. Wow, it's really thick. Dragon meat sauce. Who can not love this fact? Take a bite of this and man's belly first. Oh my god, it's just a pleasure. This sauce is so rich. Look at this meat melt in your mouth. Basically no small things. Well, that's the thorn. Tastes delicious, especially this sauce. What can be sticky? Braised pork, sesame oil coral, all are meal artifacts. Must keep. Last by bibimbap rice. This big pot, 30 yuan in the Peace Hotel. 15 yuan a bowl is too cost effective. The braised pork here is 108 yuan. While pure pork belly looks tempting again. His braised pork is not particularly crispy, a little chewy. It comes with quail eggs. Also a lick, but I feel that if this meat is simmered for another half hour, the taste will be more perfect. With a mouthful of rice. Fried coral in mango. It's 138 bucks. Another thick oil to eat sauce. His taste. Not as much money as I thought. The main highlight is a salty fragrance. What about the taste of pepper? Slightly not enough. But with rice, it is still invincible. Take all the last bite. We're going to have a spoonful of wine brewed balls at the end. It feels right. Wow, quite comfortable.